Hi guys.
I'm Shauni.
And I'm Mondi, and we've been married for 11 years.
Yes, indeed. And tonight, this is why relationships fail.
Yes, but before we get started, guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, indeed. And we're going to talk about the topic at hand right after this intro. You're welcome.
So many bad things that happen in a relationship can be avoided if you first recognize the small things before they become bigger things.
Yes. A lot of people tend to see the effects of a failing relationship, but not the cause, right? It's like watching your house burn down because you refused to blow out the candle because you didn't light it. It all could have been avoided.
So let's talk about some of the reasons why relationships fail.
Okay, let's do it.
All right, number one, expectations. All right, going into your committed relationship or marriage without first discussing your expectations of each other or the other person is a surefire way to set that relationship up for failure.
Thanks.
Sit down and discuss beforehand or now. You know what I mean? If you haven't discussed it beforehand, discuss it now.
Yes.
You got to negotiate your expectations, because most people's expectations in a relationship are really unrealistic. So when you negotiate what's reasonable, you leave both sides at least content.
Right. Absolutely. Okay. Why relationships fail? Number two, terrible communication.
True.
Okay, this will happen a lot in relationships. Men want the women to listen to them and do what they want, and women refuse to listen to them and do what they want because you're being a jerk about it. Yeah. Yeah. See, that little, she picked up on that little subtle put down, that little subtle belittling, that little subtle disrespect, that little subtle I'm smarter than you. She picked up on it. And when she did, she stopped listening the way that you want her to listen.
True.
And start listening to defend herself.
True.
So you have to watch how you say things to her, right? And then women, I understand you get frustrated, and the only weapon that you have is words and disrespect and the way that you say it because you're so frustrated. I get that, but you can't do that. Women, please do not yell, scream, be disrespectful to your man. Firstly, it doesn't work. Secondly, you are going to contribute to the demise of your relationship. There's another tool you can use: silence. It speaks real loud. They don't know what you're thinking. They don't know what you planning. Therefore, they do not have a defense. Huh? Play chess, not checkers.
All right, number three, lack of support. All right, men need your support. All right, especially in financial ambitions. Now, that does not mean you must pay for it. We're talking about just a simple, I believe in you. You can do this. All right? And women need your support, especially if they're ambitious.
Now, I was about to say, yep.
You got to support your woman if she's ambitious. You can't hold her back because of your old school ways of thinking.
Or insecurity.
Ooh. Listen, when you're unable to support each other in a relationship, it feels like you're in enemy territory. If your partner feels like you're not for them, they're going to feel like you're against them.
Thanks.
And that will cause you to push away from each other.
Little like South Pole and South Pole on the magnet. Back.
All right, coming up next, part two.
Don't miss it.